Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Dell docking station fan keep running, noise, overheating and power fix guide. Fix 1 is restart the docking station. Shut down your laptop, unplug the docking station from your laptop, then disconnect the dock's power adapter. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds. Reconnect the power adapter and plug the dock back into your laptop. Second one is update Dell dock firmware. Open a web browser, visit Dell support, enter your docking station model, then download the latest dock firmware update utility. Install the update and restart your computer. Third one is check for high CPU usage. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager, then click the Process tab. Look for program using high CPU resources. Close unnecessary application, then check if the docking station fan become quieter. Fourth one is disconnect unused devices. Unplug USB driver, webcams, external SSD and other accessories. Leave only your keyboard, mouse and monitor connected. Then wait a few minutes. If the fan slows down, reconnect devices one at a time to identify the one causing extra load. Fifth one is improve airflow. Place the dock on a hard, flat surface. Keep the ventilation opening uncovered. Remove dust around the air vent. Avoid placing the dock on soft surface like beds or couches. Thanks for watching.